again, the only link I had with Meher was you, because I very clearly remember the interaction that I had with you face to face in 2007. It was a very enriching experience as a young guy in getting into HR. The program was retention professionals, which actually is still a very new concept. A lot of people don't understand that we can do a lot more there. Having said that, I have done this is the third program I'm doing with you guys in this particular realm. And I think the last program, which I am still pending in terms of project, this will help me do that program in the sense that. So what I'm trying to say is that, it's very easy for people to throw words at each other, that this, that. I will agree to what Gautam said. It has simplified it for me in some ways. There are still questions which might pop up and they should pop up. The only thing is that I am able to do some justice to the amount of content that I've come across this time now. And I am very grateful to you. A lot of these guys have been very, very, participative. Whenever we had the opportunity to talk, we did talk. It would have been a very, very pleasing experience if it would have been in person, because obviously that adds to the whole experience per se. But in the limited scope that we had, I am really grateful to everybody, and a lot of them actually were very, very, Gitanjali, every single time. There are people who would share their screens. There are people who don't share their screens. Okay. So, having said that, I would not like to name everybody. I would just like to say that everybody who was in the team with me has been very kind to me in terms of, listening to whatever I had to say, good or bad. And it's a pleasure. I hope we will stay in touch. And thank you again one more time, Nitin. I'll see you hopefully soon enough when I drop in.